In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix access and playback issues on YouTube. Recently, users across parts of Europe and Asia could not play videos. People reported videos refusing to load, the app crashing or showing 5xx server errors. But you can try these steps. First, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and server data. This might fix your issue. Likewise, you can also give a fresh restart to your device. Whether on phone or Windows, you can give a fresh restart to your device. This might also resolve the issue. Next, update the apps YouTube and YouTube Studio. So launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app YouTube and YouTube Studio. If you find the option of update, click it and update those apps to its latest versions. Lastly, what you can do is use VPN. Go ahead and download any VPN and connect to the server where YouTube is working. And that's it. With these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.